Good day, sir. My name is Francis Hernagoso. I'm your physical therapist today. So, confirmation lang, sir, ikaw si Adyong. So, before we begin to our intervention, sir, bukas ako vital sa inyo, sir. Overall reading, sir, is 120/90. So, for this intervention, sir, we're going to perform dynamic resistance exercise. So, dynamic resistance exercise is the use of manual or elastic resistance or free weights throughout pain-free ranges. So, the primary focus of this intervention, sir, is your deltoid muscle. And the deltoid muscle has several functions. So, it serves as a shoulder flexor, a strong abductor, and shoulder extensor. So, our focus for today is your anterior deltoid. For today's intervention, sir, what we're going to do is rowing. So, as the name implies, sir, grasp both weights. Using these weights, sir, like horizontally place ang weights, then push forward and backward like garo ka, sir. So, ikaw daw, sir, eh? Okay. Repeat that in 10 repetition, 3 sets. So, this exercise is used to enhance muscle performance, increase strength of connective tissue, and increase joint mobility. Bench press using weight. So, this exercise is used to increase strength, power, and muscular endurance of your of the anterior deltoid and also the pectoralis major muscle. So, for first thing to do is, sir, pwede ka mo higa, sir. Dili lang pa edge lang sa ito. So, patient elbow is abducted and patient elbow is flexed and shoulder is abducted. And using the weights, so grasp the weights, sir. So what I would like you to perform, sir, lang, sir. Bench ka nang i-up nimo, sir. Then down. So ikaw na, sir. Perform that in 10 repetition, 3 sets. Sir, I'm going to take your vital signs, sir. Overall reading, sir, is 120/90. Katong gibuhat na tong intervention, sir, kanang comfortable ka, sir. And para nimo, sir, na improvement ang atong gibuhat na karon na intervention, sir, like nakay na feel na relief, sir, like para nimo ni kusgan kagamay. Yes, sir. What is specificity of training and how does it apply to the patient in return to function phase? So, specificity of training is applied to progress the patient activities towards the desired functional outcomes and should be relevant and appropriate to the sport demands for control, speed if necessary, for return to work activities of sporting event. Essentially, specific training means that you must perform the skill in order to get better at it. When the patient seeks to excel from a specific sports events, your training must be generalized to that specific events. For example, a member of a Dragon Ball team. So, you as a therapist must introduce repetitive shoulder forward flexion and extension. A weightlifter patient, so commonly focus on strength and power. So, your training must be greater load and low repetition. So it is an essential component of any athletes to improve from a specific sporting event. It depends on what kind of sports you are into. So you as a therapist must be creative enough to improve the skill of your athlete patient.